Yeah, no, boot. You don't need all that fancy foot on your gun, eh? I mean, it just makes you more accurate and quick on target transitions and everything. But I mean, it's your preference. I won't ever run a red dot. What if it fails in the middle of your fight? What you gonna do then? That's why we have backup irons. Even if my red dot does go down, you know, luckily you can just use your iron sights. And back in my day, we shot irons up to 500 meters with our pistols, so I can do anything just as good as you with that red dot. Alright, we'll see then.